Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about cards. So cards in Superthread live inside of boards, and here's a board. And you can add a card by adding it in line, like so, typing the title of the card and clicking this or enter. Or you can just type C anywhere inside of Superthread app and write the card title and description here, make attachments, etc. The important thing to keep in mind is the actual board into which you want to create a card. So for example, I can choose a roadmap board, which lives inside of product, and I can make this board default. So each time I actually create a new card using the C command is going to be created inside of the roadmap board. All right, so if I now open a card that lives inside of this board called roadmap, for example, guest accounts, here we are. You can see that this card has child cards, and these child cards live inside of different spaces. So this one here lives inside of the design space, while the others live inside of engineering. The other cool thing about cards is that you can change the layout of the cards. So you can view the cards in full screen, like so, and this is for cards which need a bigger description, or you can choose side docked, which means that you can work on the board while also working on the card, or you can have the modal view, which is a default view, basically, like so. If you look at a typical card, it has a very powerful sidebar. So here you can see the status of the card. So it's inside of ready for engineering, inside of the roadmap board. It doesn't have an owner. Here you can add assignees, and here you can see who created the card and when. Here you can see which card it blocks, but you can also mark as blocked by, mark related to, or mark it as a duplicate of. Right, you can also set the priority, and you can also have estimates. Estimates are set inside of the settings, but in here we use points, but it can also be t-shirt sizes. You have the start and the end date, and of course we have a very powerful tags feature. If you scroll down to the bottom of the card, you can see we have very powerful activity log, where you can see everything that's happened to this card. But you can also order it by oldest first or newest first. But you can also view comments only, which means that you can only see comments which are part of this card. So if I now go to a different card, such as the one here, you can see that we have very powerful commenting capabilities, where you can write a comment and you can actually reply in line. If you wish to be notified about this card, all you have to do is click on this bell. So each time somebody does something on this card, whether it moves it to a different column, etc., you get a notification inside of the inbox here. Alright, so that's cards in Superthread, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next video.